Welcome to the Pager Telehealth Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. Pager is a robust telehealth platform designed to simplify and enhance healthcare delivery through a comprehensive suite of digital tools. It's aimed at employers, health plans, and healthcare providers looking to offer virtual care solutions for their members or patients. The platform is designed to provide seamless communication and efficient healthcare management, making it ideal for both providers and patients. One of Pager's core features is its integration of a personalized care model. Patients are connected with a team of healthcare professionals who assess their needs through digital consultations. This includes access to a range of care options, including text-based consultations, phone calls, and video visits. The flexibility of care delivery ensures that patients can choose the mode of consultation that suits their preferences and comfort level, providing a more accessible healthcare experience. Pager also stands out with its AI-driven symptom checker and triage system, which helps guide patients to the appropriate level of care. Whether it's providing a self-care plan or escalating the situation to a healthcare provider, Pager uses intelligent algorithms to ensure that the right action is taken quickly. The platform also allows patients to book appointments with doctors or specialists, as well as access prescriptions and follow-up care, all within a single interface. For healthcare providers, Pager offers tools to streamline patient management, such as automatic appointment scheduling, patient messaging, and record keeping. This reduces administrative work and enhances the efficiency of care delivery. Moreover, Pager is HIPAA compliant, ensuring that all patient data remains secure and confidential. Overall, Pager offers a user-friendly, efficient, and scalable telehealth solution that addresses the needs of both patients and providers. Its combination of AI, personalization, and seamless integration makes it a powerful tool for modern healthcare delivery. For more details, check the links in the description.